Hey YouTube, it is January 29th, and Highland is in the middle of a freak snowstorm. So, I just decided to make a video. Look at that. Wait, just look at that. Do you see it coming down? It's like the freaking Energizer Bunny. It just keeps going. Who would have thought that Arkansas would have a blizzard? And the funny thing is, everyone seemed to know about it. Like, the teachers, they even, were giving us assignments. And they're like, whenever we come back, everyone knew it was going to happen. And so I thought, well, it's not going to happen since everyone thinks it is. But then that happens. Well, anyway, I just wanted to inform y'all of what's going on. I guess that's it. Bye.